Find B on AC such that the ratio of AB to BC is 3 to 4. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this ratio 3 to 4, we're going to change it to a fraction. And what we do here is we add my ratio for my denominator. So it's 3 plus 4. And if I want to do it from A, I'm going to keep my numerator as 3. My first number is 3. So in other words, I'm going to find 3/7 of my distance. So my distance from A to B, I'm going from 7 to -5 again. So I'll say 7 minus a -5. I'll get 12. Then I'm going to take 3/7 of 12. And that does not turn out very nice, does it? Because 7 does not go into 12. So we're going to get, well, let's do a decimal because we're on the number line. So if we take 3/7, we multiply it by 12, I get like 5.14. My 5s don't write very well, or I'm not very, there we go, 5.14. Now to find where B is, I'm going to start at A, which is -5, and I'm going to add 5.14. Well, -5 plus 5.14 is going to be about 0.14 then, isn't it? So B is going to be right here at about 0.14. And notice on this one, the blocks represent 1/7 of your distance each time. They don't quite match up, but they're pretty close. Now let's take a look at this one. Jorge is traveling 2,563 miles from New York to San Francisco by car. He plans on stopping for gas when the ratio of the distance he has already traveled to the distance still traveled is 2 to 5. How far has Jorge traveled when he stops for gas? So we're going to take that 2 to 5. We're going to change that to a fraction. I'm going to keep my numerator the same, 2. My denominator, we're going to add up. So we change this to a fraction. So we're going to do 2/7 of the distance. So I know my distance is 2,563 miles. So we take 2,563, we're going to multiply that by 2 over 7. So 2,563, I multiply that by 2/7, and I get about 732 miles, we'll say. Yes, it's a decimal. It's like 732.28 something. So we would just answer this question. It says, Jorge will stop for gas. He must have like a hybrid vehicle after 732 miles. Or he's got a huge tank. And that's what we would do. And I think that's it for that seminar. Yeah, so now you can work on your assignment.